Electric and water utilities can be installed in the same trench, but specific regulations and guidelines must be followed to ensure safety and prevent interference. The minimum separation distance between electric and water utilities varies depending on local regulations and the specific circumstances of the installation. Typically, horizontal separation of 18 inches, which is 450 mm minimum, is required. Vertical separation requires 12 inches, which is 300 mm minimum if the electric conduit is above the water line, or 18 inches, which is 450 mm minimum if it is below. In some cases, it may be permissible to lay the electric conduit directly over the water line if the following conditions are met. Firstly, the electric conduit is made of non-metallic materials such as polyvinyl chloride. Secondly, the water line is made of metal or other non-conductive material. Thirdly, the electric conduit is encased in a minimum of 6 inches, which is 150 mm of concrete or other protective material. And fourthly, the electric conduit is bonded to the water line to prevent any potential difference in voltage. In addition to the separation and placement requirements, other precautions must be taken to ensure the safe installation of electric and water utilities in the same trench. Firstly, the trench must be properly graded and backfilled to prevent water seepage. Secondly, the utilities must be clearly marked to avoid damage during future excavations. And thirdly, any connections or crossings between the utilities must be properly insulated and sealed. The specific regulations and standards that apply to the installation of electric and water utilities in the same trench will vary depending on the jurisdiction. It is important to consult with local authorities and utility companies to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements.